Chapter 21. From Idea to Startup. AI-generated business models. Launching a startup is an exciting but very risky process. Success depends not only on a good idea, but also on a detailed business plan, deep market analysis, and a clear strategy. The traditional path requires huge investments of time and money in research, which makes it inaccessible for many novice entrepreneurs. AI makes the startup launch process fast, accessible, and less risky. Neural networks become your business analyst, helping to turn an abstract idea into a working business model. This chapter will show you how to use AI for market analysis, creating business plans and strategies so your startup is set up for success from the very beginning. AI will help you at every stage. Market and competitor analysis. AI can analyze vast amounts of data in minutes to identify market trends, audience needs, and competitor weaknesses. Business model generation. Neural networks can suggest dozens of business model options that align with your idea. Business plan creation. AI can help you write a detailed business plan, including financial forecasts, a marketing strategy, and a product description. Strategy development. AI can propose a go-to-market strategy and a promotion plan based on data analysis. From idea to business concept with AI. Any startup begins with an idea. AI helps turn it into a full-fledged business concept. Step 1. Market niche analysis. For your idea to be in demand, you must understand the market. Prompt. You are a business analyst. I want to launch a startup in the healthcare sector in Texas. Analyze the market, identify key trends, audience problems, and main competitors. Suggest 3 ideas for a niche product that will have high demand. Step 2. Business model creation. Once you have an idea, you need to think about how it will work. AI will help you create a detailed business model using the business model canvas methodology. Prompt. Based on the idea of a delivery service for personalized healthy dinner kits, develop a business model using the business model canvas methodology. Include key partners, key activities, value propositions, customer relationships, customer segments, key resources, distribution channels, cost structure, and revenue streams. With these prompts, you can create a detailed business concept in one day, which will serve as the foundation for your startup. Business plan and financial forecasting with AI. You can ask AI to create a draft business plan that will include all the key sections. Prompt. You are a financial consultant. Write a draft business plan for a startup delivering personalized healthy dinner kits in Colorado. The business plan should include a market analysis, product description, marketing strategy, team structure, and financial forecasts for 3 years. Financial forecasting. The financial model is the heart of any business plan. AI will help you make realistic forecasts. Prompt. Based on the business plan for healthy food delivery, calculate a financial model for the first year. Include revenue forecasts based on 1,000 clients, a cost structure, procurement, logistics, marketing, and the break-even point. Present the calculation in a table. Marketing strategy development. A marketing strategy determines how you will attract clients. AI can suggest an effective plan. Prompt. Based on the business model, develop a marketing strategy for the healthy food delivery startup. The strategy should be focused on social media, Instagram, TikTok. Suggest 3 ideas for ad campaigns and a content plan for the first month. AI puts powerful tools in your hands for creating documents that will impress investors and partners. This allows you not just to think about business, but to build it on a solid, analyzed foundation. Launching a business with AI. A good business plan is the foundation, but without action, it's worth nothing. AI helps not only with planning, but also with the business launch itself. At the start of a business, you need to create a strong brand and content. AI significantly simplifies this task. For brand, use Midjourney or Leonardo AI to generate ideas for a logo and brand identity. ChatGPT will help you create a unique slogan and a description of the company's mission. For website, use neural networks to write text for the website, from sales-driven landing pages to the About Us section. For social networks, based on the business plan, ask AI to create a content plan and posts for the first few months to immediately start attracting an audience. Conclusion: AI makes entrepreneurship accessible to everyone. It eliminates the barriers associated with expensive research, hiring consultants, and long months of preparation. With neural networks, you can turn your idea into a well-developed business model ready to launch in a matter of days. You are no longer dependent on large corporations or investors. You can become a startup founder yourself, and AI can be your most reliable partner. In the next chapter, we'll talk about creating chatbots and assistants that will help automate customer support and increase sales.